Hi, today I'm going to review the Barbie Kiara, so let's get started. And it's like Chelsea Friends, and there are like 6 to collect. So let's open this up. Just kind of loosen it. Bring my scissors if needed. And it's with this really pretty background, which you can have like a scene or something. And she comes with a skipping rope, really cute. Really nice shoes, which are really easily to take off. And skipping rope is stuck. She has this hair bow, really pretty hair with hairspray, and a really pretty dress with Velcro on the back. And that's Kiara. And I've got like 2 or 3 from the collection and from another collection. And I hope you enjoyed this review. And thanks for watching. Bye!